Well, how the experience the consciousness designer is sort of having really great answers at the quite intense moments of my life. I could not turn to anybody else than asking you stuff that, like questions that most people would not give me any guidance. Well, a lot of times I get from you would be like guidance, not actually what I should do or what is the correct one way. But for me, it would be like opening. Like I usually have, when I start to come to the walls and I think I'm trapped, then conversation with you and your advice is suddenly there's all horizon and I'm wondering and solution starts appearing.
That's interesting. I give advice and solutions appear. So that does that mean it's not linear advice?
I wouldn't say linear. Well, it's certainly like total difference of any dogma, like saying what one way I should do. That would, but you say stuff that opens for me a lot of. Oh, it helps tremendously.
Well, I believe I could quite easily generate what for me would be an excellent dogma for what Robert should do. However, tell me if I'm wrong, but I have the impression that if I created the correct dogma, the rational thing that Robert should do, he would probably do the opposite, and it would be a waste of my breath to give him the dogma as to what he should do, even if I'm correct. Is that correct?
It's correct. It's correct, yeah.
Ah, okay. So instead of giving the correct dogma for what somebody should do,
yeah,
a consciousness designer would give some redirect. So the person themselves would create the direction.
it's like that most of the time. Like suddenly I discovered with you all new fields of possibility and options, solutions, many. I would usually think I need just one, just like just this, and then suddenly this is this, and open something else. And it's actually all the obstacles, all the problems around you are actually opportunities. Actually I see them differently. It's quite different point of view.